Professor Haq. I first want to go to our experts and economists from neighboring countries. Maybe Dr. Inamul Haq, if you give your opening remarks, is it a great depression you see it? Because Bangladesh is one of the fastest growing emerging countries now. So do you think it's a recession or depression?
I think the analysis that Professor Ujjwal has presented is quite nice. When I look into it, we are surely in a standstill scenario right now. The standard economic analysis, when we talk about recession or depression, it is not from a phenomena we are in today. Remember, what we are in today is all the governments in the world has stopped everyone not to work. So this is not a natural business cycle through which economy is slowing down. So that is one issue that should differentiate compared to the other phenomena of recession and depression. That's one issue that I thought that is important for us to understand, because once you lift the bans on, once the things, your new normal comes in, whatever way it will come back, the economy will jump back. So it is not a standard way of thinking recession the way we look into depression. That is one. The second, I don't think countries like Bangladesh has, there will be a drop of its GDP growth rate, because from March we are in basically closed. So obviously there will be rate of growth will go down. And once the rate of growth will go down, it is still going to be positive in most of the countries. I'm pretty sure it will be same for India. It will be same for most of the countries in the South Asian region. So we probably will not see the way that you see the recessions that in Northern Americans, where the GDP falls significantly. So that is not going to happen. What will happen is that the rate of growth will slow down, and obviously it is going to create more joblessness, more unemployment in the economy. That is definitely for sure. So unemployment,
right? Yeah.
Unemployment side, you will see that unemployment has gone up. But as I said, since the whole thing has been triggered by a state-led regime change that you cannot work anymore. So my own feeling is that if we can get over with it very quickly, we will not see much. The economy will push it back to the normal scenario. There will be some drop in the growth rate where it happens. But if it continues for a longer time, and if we cannot find an alternative, I think that will be the time when we should seriously think about how to get out of it. But at the moment, I think it's a government-led forceful stopping of work. Restaurants are stopped, tourism facilities are stopped, schools, colleges, universities are all stopped. So remember, the whole economic activity has stopped, not because nobody wanted to. So that is a different phenomena than what you see a standard economic analysis of recession.
Thank you so much.